Click this gear icon to go to your Stripe settings. Select the payments option under the product settings and choose on adaptive pricing subpage. On this window, switch on the toggle of the enable adaptive pricing and you are good to go. Now your Stripe payment can accept international currencies. For example, this is my product, a phone battery with the base price of 30 US dollar. And when I add it in my payment link and open it in the UK or United Kingdom network, there is an option to choose a currency between the basic price in the US dollar or the currency in the pound sterling. So the currency will be automatically converted according to your customer or client currency. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.